Good morning children. Welcome again here in this video tutorial. So children, we know that we are doing chapter number 3, that is teeth talk. Okay? So in the last tutorial class, what we have discussed? Yes, we have discussed about types of teeth, right? So let's recall it one more time. We have 4 kinds of teeth. So children, in the last tutorial class, we have already discussed about the kinds of teeth. So let's revise it one more time. Here you can see the 4 kinds of teeth. These are incisor, canine, premolars and molars. So first let's talk about incisors. Here you can see the incisors. These are 8 in numbers and these are very sharp teeth located in front of the jaw. Fine. So incisors are used for cutting or biting the food. Fine. These are incisors. Upper and lower jaw. These are number 8. Okay. So next to the incisors, the canines are there. So the pointed teeth located on either side of the incisors are called canines. They are 4 in number, 2 in upper and 2 in lower jaw. These teeth are sharp and pointed, so they are used for tearing the food. So these teeth are 4 in number. And next to the canines, we have premolars here. Flat and broad teeth. You can see these teeth are flat and broad, right? So that's why these are known as premolars. These are next to the canines. There are 8 premolars, 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. So total number of premolars are 8. And next to the premolars, we have here molars. So broader and bigger teeth located next to the premolars are called molars. They help in grinding and chewing the food. There are 12 molars in an adult. Fine. That's why an adult have 32 teeth. Set of teeth. It means permanent teeth. So here you can see only okay 3 okay 3 upper side and 3 in lower jaw and 3 in upper jaw. 12. These are 12 in numbers. So molars are 12 in numbers, right? The third pair of molars, which we can see at the last corner, also known as wisdom teeth. Fine. Third pair of molars are also known as wisdom teeth as they grow very late. They grow very late. Fine. Now children, this is all about types of teeth. So move on to the today's topic, that is structure of a tooth. Okay. Parts of a tooth and structure, layers of we know that structure of a tooth. We can say that structure of a tooth. Okay. Now here you can see we have a question here. What does a tooth look like? The visible part, that white part, is known as crown part of a tooth, and this is the pink shade is gum line, right? So you can see here structure of tooth. The visible part above the gum line is known as this one above the gum line. This is known as crown, and below the gum, under the gum, this is known as root. And between crown and root, that part is known as neck. This part is known as neck. Okay? Between crown and root, this is known as neck. So here you can see clearly, this is crown, the uppermost part, visible part, white in color, that is crown. And then under the inside the gum, this is root, and which is joining, the joining part between crown and root is known as neck. Okay, this is parts of a tooth. Now tooth is like an apple. We know that tooth is like an apple. Here the apple has also layers. For outer part, which you can see red in color, that is white, yellow, light yellowish in shade, and that middle part is innermost part, seeds are there. So this is outer part, this is outermost part, the yellow shade, that is middle part, and the innermost part. This outer part is known as enamel, then the middle part is known as dentine, and the innermost part is known as pulp. So let's discuss it about deeply. So here you can see the structure of tooth and layers of a tooth. This one is crown, this above portion, and below under the gum, this is root. So that white part, that crown, is also known as enamel, and inside this is dentine, and this is pulp. So let's talk about first this one, enamel. Okay, so this is the enamel, and enamel is the harder than bone. Enamel cannot be repaired, and enamel bodyguard of the tooth. It means that the outer part, this one, the outer part, white and hard layer of crown is known as enamel. Right? It is the hardest substance in our body, and enamel gives protections to the teeth from the wear and tear caused by chewing. Right? So next is dentine. The next layer of tooth under the enamel, that is known as dentine. It is made of yellow, bone-like material. It is also hard but softer than the enamel. Its function is to support the enamel. Okay? Now next is the pulp. Pulp is the innermost layer of tooth. You can see here, this is the innermost layer of tooth. It is made of a soft tissue. Fine. It is made of soft tissue. Okay. It is made of soft tissue, and it has many nerves and blood vessels. You can see here many nerves. These are nerves, these are blood vessels. Nerves and blood vessels. Pulp provides nutrients to the tooth, thus it is important for healthy teeth. These pulp provide nutrients to the tooth. Thus it is very important part of our tooth, right? So move on to the next topic, that is teeth and its care. Why we need to care our teeth? We know that like other body parts, teeth also need proper care. If we don't take proper care, we will suffer from various problems like toothache, tooth decay, cavities, swollen gums, and plaque. So, what is tooth decay? First, we will discuss about tooth decay. Fine. When we eat, small particles of food get stuck between the teeth. If we don't brush our teeth, germs grow on these particles. These germs secrete an acid. This acid dissolves the enamel and causes tooth to decay. Right? So, we should not eat lots of sweets and we should do care for our teeth. So, caring our teeth, we have some pictures here. Okay, so you can see some pictures over here. Fine. Let's start from here. How can we protect our teeth? We know that we should brush twice a day. To protect our teeth, we should brush twice a day. Fine. Before going to bed at night and in the morning time. It means that twice a day, once in the morning and before going to bed at night. Okay? Next is brushing the teeth. The best way and the right way of brushing the teeth, it means that brush your teeth up and down, up and down, in and out as shown in the figure. Here three figures are given here. These are the figure. So you should brush your teeth up and down in motion and in this way. Okay? So next is rinse your mouth after every meal with water. Fine. After every meal or whatever you eat in a whole day, like sweets, chocolates, biscuit, you should rinse your mouth with fresh water. Right? Okay, next is avoid eating too much sweets and chocolates. You can see here the boy is eating chocolate. So we should avoid too much sweets and chocolates. It is harmful for our teeth. Okay. Now next is clean your tongue using a tongue cleaner. Fine. This is a tongue cleaner. You should use a tongue cleaner to clean your tongue. And next is massage your gums with your finger. Fine? You should massage your gums with your finger. And next is visit your dentist regularly. Okay? And next point is eat hard fruits like apple. Avoid junk food. Fine. In this way, you can protect your teeth. Well, children, almost we have completed this chapter now. So you just revise this chapter in your home. Until then, bye. Take care. See you in the next science tutorial class.